Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can display YouTube on your home screen on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone. And first of all, of course, you have to open up your YouTube application on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, and after you have opened your YouTube, you can go back to your home screen by clicking on this home button like this. Okay, and to display the YouTube on your home screen, you need to view it in pop-up view screen. I'm going to show you how we can do that. You can click on your recent button right here, and then you're going to click on the YouTube logo or YouTube icon. And here you will have some options guys, and you can choose open in pop-up view since we want to open our YouTube on pop-up view. Okay, and now as you can see that the YouTube has been minimized, so we'll be able to display it on our home screen just like this. We'll be able to control the YouTube from here, and you can customize the ratio. You can make it super small like this. Okay, this is for the pop-up, or you can make it bigger actually. Okay, and for me guys, I'm just going to make it smaller. Oops. Okay, just like this. And if you want to move this pop-up, you just need to tap and hold on this blue line. You can tap and hold on it, and you will be able to move this pop-up the YouTube pop-up to any part that you want. For example, I'm going to place it right here. Okay, and you will be able to watch YouTube from your home screen. Wait, I'm just going to try to play a video from here. Oops, sorry, I think my internet connection is not good. Okay, let's play one of the video here. I'm just gonna play this one. Okay, and if we want to go back, we can click on this icon. Okay guys, and that's all the way to display YouTube on home screen on a Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.